Yo, check! Home service ulit tayo guys. Try natin na mag-shoot. Paalam natin kung pwede. Tapos, yun, kasama natin si RV. Sasamahan niya ako kasi wala siya masyado magawa. At ako ay mag-isa. So, nagpasama ako. At eksakto, hindi siya busy. So, sasamahan niya tayo. Let's go! Apir! Okay. Let's go, let's go. Let's eat, let's eat. Higa mo na lang yata.
Ganun?
Oo, yes. Ang gulo. Yan, ganyan lang. Okay na yan. Kain muna tayo. Ayun o, 3 o'clock pa yung ano namin. Alis namin. So, kakain muna kami. Okay. Kain muna tayo. Uy, tuyo and danjit. Saan yung suka? Yun o, paalis na kami. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Idol, daan muna kayo sa bahay, ha?
Yes sir, no problem. Yun no, we have a big problem. Kalagitnaan ng daan, medyo nagdalawang isip yung kliyente. So hindi siya sure doon sa papagawa niya. So nagpark muna kami dito somewhere para mag-send ng mga design. Bali ang gusto niya is alien at ilalagay yung alien sa wrist. So inaantay lang namin ang reply. Nandito na kami sa area at kung makapili siya doon sa parang ilang images ito. 20 images. Meadows. Yun lang. What to do. Coming. Can you show also the 200? What do you mean 200?
Marami naman. 200 images siguro.
Tawagan ko na nga lang. Ito, nakakainis yung gantong kliyente, my friend.
Now that eventually that, hey Korog.
Hello.
Hi, yes.
Can we agree on the design there?
All these designs you sent me are possible to do in the narrow part of the wrist, right? My initial preference.
Yes.
Okay.
And can we discuss it
Okay.
there? Much better so we can do it in
Well,
person?
No, so I need to check a couple of things before we discuss it in person. But I just need to know the fonts for 200 possible fonts.
Yeah, I'll show you there in because it's in my iPad. So it's better if we discuss it in person. We're going to waste a lot of time if I keep on sending you images and you don't agree on it. So I think it's better if we do it in person. So we can adjust any design that you want.
Just give me 5 minutes, please. Let me call you back. Yeah. Okay, I'll call you back.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Nakakainis yung ganito. It needs to fit there under the watch. Just to inform you, we are on the area already. Shit. Gusto niya i-mock up ko pa. Waste of time to. Shit. So, andito na tayo. Pero, okay.
Yeah, we're on.
Hi. This is my name is Karan. Hi.
Okay.
See, the image that you sent last, the tattoo that we had originally sent to you without the crown that you made is good, but we want to make the same image black and white, and only the eyes to have that orange color.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah. So no color on the face.
Okay.
Just the color black and white will be the actual face, but the eyes to have the orange color.
Okay. And then I think on the crown also, the reds on the crown is nice.
Are you keeping that? Because you said the crown will get messed up.
No, we can keep just the lower part of the crown.
The forehead,
But yeah.
not the extended part outside the head.
No, just the forehead. Yeah. Yeah, but I will adjust a little bit on the design, on the details, so it will fit on that size that you want.
Yeah. Okay. Can you show me a design of it now before we go ahead?
What do you mean?
Like an image of it, like what you told now. Would you be able to send me a design of it?
I just showed you the design. I just sent you the design.
Without the color, without the just the black and white.
Like the black and white with just the eyes shaded and the crown part that you mentioned.
Okay.
Or let's do it without the crown, and we can add the crown later if you want. We just do the face black and the eyes as orange. Better.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah. So we do the face in black, eyes in orange, and that's it.
Face in black as in it will be shaded.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the shaded. Yeah, but no
Shaded,
color
yeah.
as the.
No
Yeah,
color.
just black and gray. I think it's good for the face.
Yeah,
So if you can
exactly.
send that, please.
Sorry.
If you can send the design, we're waiting and then we'll approve it. Yeah.
Okay.
So don't put the crown, put the 200 and just the face black and white as we discussed and the eye colored.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Misha.
Bye.
So, kailangan ko muna ayusin yung design. Bago tayo pumasok sa bahay,
Grabe ano nila, no?
ayusin mo muna. Tangina naman yan. Parang ano tayo, para tayong aso ah.
Oo.
Gusto nila, ayusin ko muna yung design bago natin. No, ba't ganun? Grabe.
Yung colored, yung mata lang.
Oo, yung mata lang daw. Ayun na yung nagawa kong design guys. Paiba-iba na. So, anong gagawin natin? Gagawin natin black and gray yung muka. Tapos, gagawin natin colored yung mata. Tama ba?
Yes.
So kailangan ko munang i-edit yung design bago tayo papapasukin sa bahay.
Putang ina.
Tangina na. Pwede naman pag-usapan sa loob eh. Putang inang kupal naman ito. Ano ba to? Super VIP na super yaman ba to na kailangan ganun? Ano yun? Parang nandidiri sila sa amin? Diba? Okay, yan ang gusto. Pero guys, ito gagawin ko sa wrist. Ito, sobrang liit. Ganito lang siguro kaliit. Ganyan. Dito. Yan yata yung asawa. Kaya yung lalaki yata yung asawa. Oo. Kasi siya ang nag-a-approve. So kailangan i-approve muna bago papasukin ng bahay.
Approve muna bago pasok.
Oo. Approve muna bago ipasok. This is crazy, Habibi. Too much crazy. Without the crown, tatanggalin natin to. Okay, ilalagay natin, pero buburahin pa rin natin to. Yan. Ano na? Ano sa tingin mo? Masyado na yata tayong inaano eh.
Masyado na tayong inapi
Inapi yata tayo ah. Yes, we're just discussing about the design first, so yeah.
You're just discussing about that.
Yes.
Once you get the confirmation.
Okay. How should I go inside? Putang ina talaga. May confirmation to.
Sana ito na lang hinuli.
Huh? We need to do the confirmation and everything. Ayusin ko lang yung design. Without the crown. Mas maganda yung my crown, no? Ito.
Oo, mas maganda. Lang yan kasing gusto nila. Mas
simple, mas okay.
I-enlapat mo na. Oo, sige.
Gusto na naman ilapat. Tangina talagang. Wow!
Dalhin ka namin sa Mirdip.
Doon ka sa Mirdip magaganyan. Tangina mo, last mo na to. Hindi ko nagagawin to, promise. Sorry! Kailangan pa ma-approve ang design bago kami pumasok ng bahay. First time to nangyari sa akin, promise. Ganyan. Sira tuloy yung detalye. Putang ina, kailangan pa i-mock up ko sa kamay. Ano to, putang ina. Mukha tayong tanga. Ayan, ganyan. Itsura. My God, this coming. 4,000 talaga babayaran ko. 4,000 ang sisingilin ko pala. Yes? No, it's here. They don't want the crown. So we need to do the approval first before we can go inside? Why? Yes?
So the thing is that she's still like feeling a bit not sure. I don't know. So I think we'll have to maybe move the appointment. But for now, I will give you a cancellation fee.
Wow.
Because we kind of, I mean, really, she's kind of now being a bit with which design she wants to go ahead with, so she needs time. So I think I told her that it's not fair, like, I booked you and stuff, and obviously you moved around a point.
Yeah, I cancelled my client
I understand,
last night.
Of course, and because I want you to come back again, I don't want you to think we are problematic people. I want to do the tattoo with you, but once she's sure. So I will send somebody right now, they will give you a cancellation of 3K. And later when we decide to go ahead, we will, redo this whole process.
Are you sure?
But for today, 100%. I just don't want you to feel bad. I know it's been a bit difficult with your work, the way we are asking for the designs and changing. So I want to just make sure that you will still work with us when I need you. But of course, it's only fair that I give you a cancellation fee because we wasted a lot of your time. I understand. It's just that she's a bit not sure now because she wants to take some time and think what she wants to do finally, like which phase she wants to do. So let her have that time. But meanwhile, because you came all the way and you've been working on this for many days with us, I think it's just fair that we give you a cancellation fee. And then later when we need you again, I'll message you and we can, go through the whole thing again and see.
Okay, no
but
problem.
I hope you'll work with us. It's not like, you'll be like, oh, these guys are crazy. I don't want to work with them.
Yeah, without the cancellation fee, I'm not gonna talk to you anymore.
No, of course, that's fair. I understand, of course. And you moved around a lot of things for us, and I really appreciate it. And that's why I'll just send somebody outside now.
The guy is here, actually.
Yes, perfect.
You wanna talk to her?
No, it's okay. You can just speak. I've already spoken to them.
Okay,
I've already spoken to them. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm so sorry.
No problem.
We'll keep in touch. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, brother.
Yes, yeah.
We will do the tattoo any other day.
Yes.
Okay, right now, can you please give me your bank details so I can transfer the amount to your bank?
Okay.
I'm sorry for keep waiting you.
It's okay, no problem. IBAN number?
IBAN number or any whatever do you have?
This one. Oh, sorry. Hello?
I'm so sorry. I think she's deciding, so just give me 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 5 minutes. Okay.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Wala naman ang gusto. Your madam is VIP, huh? VIP. We don't know what she wants. We don't know what she wants.
Outside. Once
Yes.
you get the approval, then only we can allow you to come. So that's I really apologize.
It's okay.
I don't want to waste.
Yeah, it's already wasted actually. Since yesterday. Because I cancelled my client last night and I was supposed to go here last night, but she cancelled me.
No problem.
So I cancelled my client last night just for her.
Can I have the
But
bank
she cancelled me.
So which bank is it you want? Emirates NBD?
Emirates NBD, yeah.
Okay.
IBAN number 01. Yeah. That's Emirates NBD.
Okay. അവിടുന്ന് കിട്ടാൻ chance പറ.
Can we smoke here inside? Outside? Can we smoke outside? Tawang-tawa na kami. So, pinapunta tayo, undecided, bayad pa rin. Ayun na maganda. Pag hindi siya magbabayad at nag-cancel siya ngayon at hindi kami nilabas at hindi kami pinapasok, medyo ibang klaseng usapan na yun. Dahil parang iba na ang tingin sa amin, di ba? Hindi ako papayag pag ganun. So, ayun. Sige, mamaya na. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Okay, hello.
Hey, Kwarog.
Yes.
So you've got the fees, right?
Yes, he
Yeah,
sent
okay, just
me 3,500.
That's fine. Just keep it. And the picture I sent you, that's what we will do, but for next time. So when we want to go ahead with it, I'll let you know.
Okay, just let
Yeah?
me know when.
Yeah, perfect. So you can leave now.
May I know the what do you call this? The client?
As in?
May I know who is the client?
What do you mean, who is the client?
Your friend who is getting the tattoo?
Yeah, you don't know her.
Okay.
You wouldn't know her, but she's just that she needs some time to get it done, so we'll wait for it.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
Okay, so ginawa natin ang lahat. Pina-design ang gusto niyang design. So inayos ko ang design, pinakita natin sa kanya, hindi pa rin siya komportable. Mas okay na cancel na lang, di ba?
Yes.
Pero nagbayad naman ang kliyente. So goods.
Walang kahirap-hirap.
Oo. So hindi tayo napagod pero nagkapera tayo. Tang inang. Bisit na talaga ako, promise kanina, no? Ikaw nababad trip ka na rin, no?
Medyo.
Nakakainis yung ganun eh. Tapos hindi sila sure. At eto guys, yung kausap ko sa WhatsApp, hindi siya yon. Ang kausap ko is yung assistant niya. Ayaw niyang rumekta sa akin. Dahil, nalaman natin,
Ano pala siya?
celebrity siya. Na ayaw niyang magpakilala. Siguro medyo, kasi nga tattoo. Ayaw niyang mabulgar sa social media na nagpatattoo siya. Ganun. Baka. Hindi natin alam kung anong rason niya kung bakit ayaw niya magpakita sa akin. Ngayon, TikTok celebrity. TikTok celebrity. Ganun ka VIP. Puta na, parang presidential. My friend.
Dalawa yung
Dalawa yung kausap, no? Tapos ang nagsisend ng pera, yung lalaki, assistant rin.
Dalawa yung
So,
assistant.
Dalawa yung assistant. Tapos ang laki ng bahay. Parang presidential nga ang dating. Kasi kailangan home service, VIP, kailangan ayusin yung design bago dalhin. Nagpalit ng design nung papunta na kami, nung malapit na kami. 'Di ba? Bakit nag-send sa akin ng design, sabi niya sure na 'yon. Tapos pagkarating na nung malapit na kami dito, biglang sinabing anong tawag doon? Hindi daw, parang ayaw niya daw yung design, gusto niya daw mas maliit. Sinabi kong hindi pwedeng maliit. Medyo nataasan ko ng boses yung assistant kasi talagang nababad trip na ako kanina. 'Di ba? Parang pinagalitan ko siya kasi sabi ko, we're just wasting time kung magsisend ako, mag-i-edit ako, ba't ayaw nyong humarap na lang sa akin para i-design ko sa harapan nyo, para kung ano man yung gusto nyong palitan sa design, at least on the spot, 'di ba? Hindi yung sasabihin nyo sa akin, sisend ko sa inyo yung design. Kung may ayaw nyo kung may gusto kayong papalitan, isisend nyo na naman sa akin, tapos isend ko na naman masasayang yung oras natin pag ganun, 'di ba?
So panghirap din.
Kaya medyo nakakainis yung ganun. Eto, pauwi na kami, pero nag-send ng pera, na-receive ko yung pera, all goods. 'Di ba? Instant din pera sa iyo. Ngayon, wala na kaming gagawin, so magbibilyar na lang kami. Happy.